It's Wednesday, April 15th, and here's what's coming up today on California Live.
We are going into the garden with celebrity makeup artist Christina Flach, and she's giving us the dirt on some earthy ingredients that will grow your glow.
Good morning. We're live from Universal Studios Hollywood. It's Wednesday, April 15th, and you're watching California Live, where we bring you the best of the Golden State. I'm Jess Vilchis. Thanks for joining us. Happy Earth Month, everyone. Today, we're ditching the lab-made chemicals and heading straight to the pantry and garden for some beauty secrets. Long before high-tech skincare, ancient civilizations used the earth to glow. California Live contributor Berlin shows us how simple ingredients like coffee, turmeric, and rice can actually brighten and refresh your skin.
Hey everybody, have you ever looked around, with the prices rising and everything that's going on, have you ever looked around and thought, what could I use in my own kitchen, my own garden to make my skin glow? Well, today I'm with celebrity makeup artist Christina Flach.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Great, how are you?
I'm doing great, and she's gonna tell us how to grow your glow. So let's take me to the first one of what's happening right here.
We are going to make a toner out of rice water, and this is fermented water and rice. So we've just put a cup of rice in the water that's purified, put it in the fridge overnight, and voila, you have fermented water that is a toner. Take the water and the rice that's been fermenting overnight, and you're going to pour it through the strainer. Perfect.
Get the rice out.
You're going to get the rice out, just leave it there, and then we're going to get a cotton, and we're going to put it on our model.
And so let's bring your model in.
This is my beautiful model, Lilia. So we're just gonna get a little cotton pad, moisten it, and I'm gonna put it on this beautiful model here.
And while you're doing that, tell us what the benefits of using the rice water. Why do you use a toner? Let's say that.
Because it tightens and brightens the skin. And look at her beautiful skin. And look at it, it's just dewy and glowy, it's gorgeous.
Okay, and then you said you got a little bit of a hack with this bottle.
Oh,
right?
I love this. So you can put it in the fridge and keep it nice and cool, which is also going to calm the skin down.
And so you can just like put it in the fridge and then take it out and
spray it. You can spray it, or
go on a hike and spray it.
Yeah, or if you're at the beach, it's fantastic.
Okay, so tell us about this green goddess right here. What is this?
This is wheatgrass tea that has been soaking overnight. And the beauty of...
Like wheatgrass? Like regular...
Wheatgrass, yes. It is wheatgrass tea. So we have put this in water overnight in the fridge. And in the morning, this is so amazing as for eye patches. It takes away swelling, inflammation, it brightens it up. It's so great. All these amazing nutrients that we ingest is also good for topically.
Tell us what these earthy ingredients are.
Okay, we're gonna make a beautiful face mask out of organic honey, turmeric, and some jojoba oil, and also some volcanic mud. Now, the honey is fantastic. It keeps in moisture. It's also great antibacterial. The mud from the volcano is just full of nutrients and minerals that are just so great.
The honey's been around for
forever.
Ancient,
yes.
And how long has the volcano been around?
Millions of years, right?
Yeah. So that's and how easy is it to get?
It's so easy. You can get it anywhere, honestly.
You can.
It's nothing tricky. And then we're just going to mix it all together and make a paste and put it on the skin for about 5 to 10 minutes. You don't want it to dry out because that defeats the whole purpose. It'll dehydrate the skin.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the fun one. This is some more volcanic mud here.
Okay.
We're going to add that in. And then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of the coffee. This is amazing for circulation to stimulate the skin.
And it sort of exfoliates too, 'cause it's got a little texture
well,
to
you know, your double dip, you love that. And then we're going to add some jojoba oil. Perfect.
All right.
And then we're going to get some, we're going to be crunchy granola moms here.
All right.
And we're going to add some.
We're going to earth a little bit.
We're going to do a little earth in here.
All right.
And we're going to add a little bit more.
So you if you want it more pasty, just add a little more oil. Yeah, you
just add a little bit more oil. You can add a tiny bit of water. You can add a little bit of this water from the wheatgrass, which is going to be more nutrients.
Look at you, triple dipping.
Triple dipping.
A triple dip tip.
Who knew?
I mean, your skin is glowing. How do you feel?
refreshed.
Refreshed. I mean, you literally have a glow to your skin. That's amazing.
Well,
Feels tight.
Tighter.
tighter and
Yes.
brighter.
It's amazing. Well, you never disappoint, my love. All of these ingredients, I mean, all of your ideas, I love them.
They're all in your kitchen or your yard.
So from garden to glow up.
Who knew all of those items could do that?